Good morning. So we're out here today and we are going to be finally working on this wall. This is the garage. I've already started painting the door. You can see right there and right there. All of that's rotted away. The chicken has got to be noisy. Anyway, we're going to get this whole wall replaced. So let the demo begin. Before that can happen though, Tommy's telling me that all of this stuff has to be moved. Fun. And this is about half of what I've carried out to burn. And here's the other half that I'll need to carry over there and burn. And this wire from the well that comes through the wall goes to the breaker panel. Needs to be temporarily pulled out.
Yeah, it is. Clank. Oh, I think I broke it. Yeah.
So this light has to be removed so that he can put the new siding up as well. And my daughter broke it, which is what he was talking about. So we're just going to get a new one. And there goes a lot of the wood. It's warm over here.
Yep.
Flame looks fake on my camera. Look. Doesn't even look real.
Nope.
It's weird.
Now I've gotten the slide disconnected, we're going to start removing trim here, across the top, around the door, that side, and this hardy pieces that are here. And then I have to disconnect the well, the electric to the well, pull it out when I put everything back. All right, here we go. Here we go.
No bugs flew out?
Nope.
That's shocking. That's coming off really easy. Ooh, look at those bugs.
Those ain't bugs, those are Texas residents.
Okay.
Oh, I forgot.
Look how rotten that all is. I bet that's been there since the 70s.
Probably so.
Was that moisture?
Huh?
I don't know, that board looked wet. Since we just had a new roof put on, I wouldn't expect there to be moisture in there. That's not coming off as easy as that lower stuff.
Nope.
Clock screams in the morning gray. Another long shift for another long day. Soft fees burn, the truck's near out of gas. Feels like every 4 step comes with 2 steps back. Got these calloused hands and an aching back. A mountain of worries on a one-man track. But I look in the mirror, stare the tire down, and I hear a voice without a sound. Never quit, never back down. For the ones I love, I'll stand my ground. Never quit, never back down. For the dream I'm chasing in this tired town. It's a hill too steep, it's a river too wide, but I dig in deep with this fire inside. Never quit, never back down. You never quit, never back down. Got the pink slip call, felt like a heart in a heavy fall. I took any job that I could find, pride in my pocket but hope in my mind. Forever you can't, I said watch me instead. A roof over my family and the mouth to be fed. I look at those eyes that are counting on me, and I know exactly what I gotta be. Never quit, never back down. For the ones I love, I'll stand my ground. Never quit, never back down. I'm chasing when the world says no. When I'm lost a step and don't know where to begin, I find my strength in this fire inside. Never quit, never back down, and never quit, never back down. There'll be days the rain won't let up, and I'm trying to drink from a half-empty cup, but the tough get going when the going's rough. Cause I ain't made of nothing but stronger stuff, yeah. Never quit, never back down. For the ones I love, I'll stand my ground. Never quit, never back down. For the dream I'm chasing when the world says no. And I'm lost a step and don't know where to begin. And I find my strength in this fire inside. Never quit, never back down, never quit, never back down. 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 Never back down.
That's 2 panels, 2.5. Good job.
Mr. Cockroach.
5/8. 10, 10, 14.5.
Last piece.
What?
I said last piece.
Last piece.
Yay. There's an update on my sugar cane. Still growing well. And I have the fence material over it to keep the chickens out. Even that only works so much. All this green grass, and they gotta go after my plants. And these ladies are getting some dust baths over here. So I'm going to end this video here because I don't want to have a 2-hour long video working on this garage project. We got a lot of done demo wise, and we'll be ready to pick up from there and finish in the next few days or a couple of weeks, however long it takes, depending on time and money, as usual. The good thing about working on this project, even though we weren't quite ready to do it, but insurance companies said we needed to get it done, is that I no longer have to look at comments griping at me about why we haven't done that yet. I don't know why some people don't understand that the garage is not a priority for us. It's just a garage, and it's, I mean, it is very ugly, but it's no uglier than several other things that I've had to look at over the last few years that we've been working on this remodel. So thank you guys for watching, and part 2 will be coming up very soon.